Here we have a remote for Companion series Bose. This is a remote controller to control the power and also the audio, and it has also input audio and for the headphones. And here I'm going to show it to you the issue of this switch, the remote control. And let me plug it in to the subwoofer. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn on the power. As you can see, there is a power here, but the power is actually this is for the standby power, which is the color is orange, and in when you tap this, it's supposed to be goes to green, but it is not changing, meaning there is some issue on this remote control. Now, what I am going to do, I will check what happened on this remote, and I'm gonna share it to you here how I fix. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn off the power, the back of the subwoofer. I'm gonna remove the connector, and here we have how many pins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it has have 9 pins. Now I'm gonna open this. Actually, it has only 2 screws here. Over here. Okay, one is over here and the other one is here. Okay, and here I'm going to use S2T6, and this S2T6 it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gears. Okay, let us continue. Two screws are already loosened. And okay, so the front panel has already detached, and this is the magnifying reflector for the lights, and this part is already loose, supposed to be, it will not easy to detach. The reason is the glue here is already gone. Okay, first I'm gonna share to you why this uh, thing is not working when you tap. Let me grab my analog tester and hope you can see it. I'm gonna set my digital tester to anywhere at here, times 1, times 10, or times 100. And here on the top case, once you tap, because it has sensor here, and this sensor is connected on this side. So this cap must have continuity. Let me try times 10. And as you can see here, the gold plated part, it has continuity. This is not an ordinary plastic. And this two ports is attached, connected on this side. And supposed to be, it has reading here. There is, but not, not much. So on this side, nothing. About this side, nothing. And the pole here on this side has. Let me show it to you here. There is. Sorry, cannot see our tester. Anyway, let's go to another camera. Here is fine. Here, but here nothing. That's why it's not, switching on. Now I am going to apply. I have here silver paint. This is conductive silver paint, and this paint can be purchased online like AliExpress. I'm gonna share it to you I'm gonna put it on the link, and in order to you to get this silver conductive paint. Actually, it has two options with the ballpoint here. You can do like this writing, but actually I am going to use right now the brush. Okay, brush. It has brush, and let me apply on this side. Okay, and of course on the other side. Okay, then let us dry that. While waiting to get dry, we are going to install the magnifying lens, and here make it sure that the nut is tight. Okay, nut is tight. I'm gonna install this first, and then okay. As you notice here, the rubber is already expired and sticky. In order to clean that, actually I am using a lacquer thinner. I'm gonna apply a lacquer thinner on that. Use a tissue, and then let's wipe here. This is to remove the sticky rubberized coating. So as you notice, the rubberized coating has been removed. Next step, if you have uh, wood cleaner, wood polish, you can apply the wood polish here. Okay, let me prepare. At least we have to remove the dirt. Okay, so it's now clean. And here I'm gonna use glue. Sorry. Okay. Right, I'm gonna use here this. This is rubberized Gravity Magic rubber. I'm gonna share it also to you, the link. Here I'm gonna apply. Okay. And let us wait to get dry. While waiting, let us check the continuity here. It must we have to get the continuity before when we test. It's not now. Check. Yes. Wow. We now have continuity on this pole. And let me check on the other side. Yes. Nice. Okay, so this part is not past dry, the one that I installed. we can now install the cover the front panel. You see this hole, this must be on this side to set in place. Okay, and then okay, those screws are already installed. So now we're going to test if it is our what we did is successful. I'm gonna insert the connector to at back side of the subwoofer. I'm gonna turn on the power switch. So as you can see, the light is orange, and when I tap this, it will goes to green. Yes, wow, orange, green, orange, green. Wow, it's working now. Okay, guys, hope you learned something in this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we do something else on our next video. Thank you so much, and God bless us.